Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out a D4 medical form and which parts you need to complete before your assessment. So these forms often get sent back because of small mistakes. So this helps you get it right first time and avoid delays. So stick around because I'll point out the one driver missed the most. So start on the front page. The DVLA color codes the form. You only need to fill out the gray sections, so focus on those. Step 1, your details. Fill in your name, date of birth, address, contact number, and email. Only add the date you started driving, a lorry or bus. If you're renewing, you don't need to include your first car license date. Step 2, your GP details. Next, add your own GP's detail from your local GP practice. This is not the doctor doing your D4 assessment. Make sure it's all correct to avoid delays. And also, a very important thing to note, write your name and date of birth at the bottom of every page, including any extra pages. If you miss this, the DVLA may return the form. Step 3, declaration. On the back page, read the final declaration. Then fill in your name, signature, and today's date. The checkboxes on this page are to confirm you're okay with sharing your application details and medical report with your doctors. And final checklist. Check the list to confirm the declaration is signed and dated. The doctor has completed their sections and any relevant hospitals noted. And finally, check the checklist to confirm the declaration is signed and dated. The doctor has completed their sections and any relevant hospital notes are attached. And before you send it to the DVLA, quickly reread everything and double check the details. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.